All right. Promised yesterday that I would open this thing up and see if I can show you what's going on inside the power lock mechanism. So let's see what we can do about that. It's a T10 for the pivot. There was some Loctite on that, but the rest of the screws actually don't seem like they have any Loctite on them. It's a T8 for the stop pin and the lock bar pivot pin. Now this may give us a little bit of trouble with the lanyard tube. The Spyderco lanyard tubes can be problematic sometimes, and I have not opened this thing up before. So hopefully we don't run into a nightmare there. One more there. Alright, let's see if you are going to come apart. Let's see, where's the least amount of tension going to be on this thing? I think it might. There we are. Alright, what are we stuck on? Yep, this lanyard tube. There we are. Alright, and everything mostly stayed in place and hasn't gone kasproing yet. So, whoop, focus. There is the power lock mechanism. You've got your lock bar that operates the little toggly bit there, and you can see how that rotates into position behind the blade tang there and locks it in position. So like if that piece was sliding into place, it would be a deadbolt or like a axis lock, but instead it's like a little toggle operated by a lock bar. Really, really cool kind of mashup of the concepts. Again, this is a Sal Glesser lock design. So, very, very cool. We managed to get this done relatively quick. I'm not going to bore you guys with me trying to get everything lined back up to get it back together. But I hope you guys enjoyed a peek inside the Spyderco Tatanka and the power lock mechanism. And I will catch you all tomorrow. I hope everyone has a good day.